Hey, welcome to Let's Play Solitaire, and thanks for watching. If you're new to this, I play a random game and don't edit it. I try to explain what I'm thinking and see if I can get it right the first time or a second time for that matter. If you like this sort of thing, there's a playlist on this channel. It's called Let's Play Solitaire. If you're looking for tips on how to get better, there's a playlist called Solitaire Tips. And yeah, let's get started on the game here. If you'll notice one thing on this percentage here, my percentage is usually way higher if I'm recording than if I'm just randomly playing. I don't know why that is, but I seem to do better when I'm recording. I don't know why, but we'll see. Okay, so we can move this ace here. I like to have moves available in the columns. That's not always the case. Now, one thing I think that a big mistake I've argued with is that you probably don't want to play these cards, early cards, right away. Now, you can make exceptions to that sometime. We could do that in this case right here because we have this 9 that could be played. You know, maybe we want to play this ace of diamonds. So aces are valuable to play, I think. So we're going to play all 3 of these. So this is not a move I typically make. So we'll see how this goes. And then we have this 9 as our insurance card, should we need it later on. And we will use it at some point. So we'll play this 4 first. And, oh, we can play this 4 and 3 right there. Oh, interesting. Let's go back 1. Okay. So there was a 3 under both of... No, there wasn't a 3. Oh, there's a 3 under here. Okay. So no new moves there. Ace of hearts, that's good. We can play that. Although... that almost makes me want to take back the first move we made, but we'll see. So yeah, we can play that there. Okay. Nothing there. So this is our insurance card. The one problem we had is because we played all 3 of those cards early, we can't play the 2 of hearts. That's why I don't like to play cards out of the draw pile early, but we'll see. We've got a few more moves left. We've got the... I think this 4 is going to be a critical card. Right here. And we'll get to that. We'll get to it. We're to play the 9 here. We'll play the 8. And now we have a dilemma here. We want to be able to play this 4. So we're not going to touch this 2 right now. We will get to it later. And then, as always, I am going to play out of the back of the draw pile first. So I'm going to save this as insurance. And we got a little bit of a dilemma here. We'd like to move this red 7 and 6. But that means the bad trade-off. That means, you know, okay, we play this 4. And we play this 2 because we only move 2 cards. We only move 2 cards in front. And we want to get to not this 7, but the other 7, I think is... We could play this 7, but I feel like the other 7's a better play. Well, maybe we could... I think there's another path here. I think I could do all of that, actually. I'm going to go back on the move. This is really complicated. Essentially, what we need to do is we need to move this 6. Because I'm going to play the 8 and 7 right here. So I think we need to play 4 cards? No, we can't do that then, could we? To get to the 6, we need to be able to do 4 cards. So 1, that'd be 3. That would be 4. So we wouldn't touch this 7 right here. But if we didn't touch the 7, we couldn't play this 6. But if we touch that, it's complicated. If I play that, that means the 6 won't be able to be played, which I need to play the 5. So, back to the drawing board here. And so the 4. Okay. To get to the 7, we need to play 2 cards. Not this 7, but this 7. We're only going to play 2 cards. Because that's the card we want to see. So we'd like to be able to play this card. It's our insurance card, but we can't. Actually, we could. We can play the 7 this time. Next time around, we'll play the 8, and then we'll play the 6. Let's go through again here. There's the 8. And then next time around, the 6 should drop. But I think we'll be able to play the 7 as well. Now we can play the 7. So we've got an extra move out of that. The question is, does it help us? I don't know. Oh, we can play the 6 of diamonds, and then we can open up as 5. That'd be great. And then we can have a spot for the king. The 6 of diamonds right here, anyway. Can we get to it now? I don't think we can get to it now. Can we? No, we can't. Okay. So we're not going to play the 6 yet. We're going to play this 6. Here we have open slot. Now the question is this king a better play than the king up in the draw pile? And that is not a card we want to see there, so let's hold off on that move. So now we can play the 6. There's the 5, I'm going to move it, but I want to see how this other one side plays out. So we could play king, queen like that. There is no jack here, so maybe that works, maybe it doesn't. We're going to play this 5 and find out where we're going with it. And that is the absolute worst possible card I could see there. That's a 5 of hearts. That is a bad card over there, I believe. I don't know if that's... Okay. So there was a 3 here, I think, but then that's a dead end, right? We're going to go back a little bit. So we could play... maybe a little too far there. So we got to the 6. We move this 5 here. And unfortunately, there's another 5 right there. We get this open slot here, but then, you know, another 3 right there. So I don't know that this is even solvable. I'm trying to think through the different scenarios here. I don't think it is. I don't think this is a solvable game. So even if we get this king-queen down here, we don't have a spot for jack. We've got 2 9s here. We can't swap any of that out. We can't swap this 10 out. We can't swap this 5 because there's a 5 on top of that. So I would say that this game is not going to be solvable, even though we moved as many cards as we possibly can. We can't solve it, unfortunately. We tried our best, but we could not solve this. And that happens some of the time. You can't solve every single game. It's going to say that I need to put up a few more of these cards here before it says it's a dead end. That's what it's going to say. So 1, 2, 3. And unfortunately, we did not solve it, but we gave it our best shot. Anyway, that's going to wrap this up. I am signing out. Thanks for watching, and